Welcome, people. Welcome back to Basic Principle YouTube channel. For my Jamaican viewers, this is not who you think. or, or maybe it is who you think. You know, such man stop run the dollars so me have to have sense and take on myself. When I realize that him nah feature me on him platform again, yeah man, we had a falling out. But if him willing to pay me more, I'll go back and do a collab with him. But as for right now, time hard. And look how bus here is again in a Jamaica. Me nah there work for look a bit of money. You mad man. Anyway, people, have you ever been young, dumb, and full of passion for the opposite sex? Or for SEX in general? Well, in today's story, we have a 17-year-old who wrote to pastor telling him how she almost got caught having SEX. Imagine that, you know? Eh? Imagine that, people. Anyway, maybe I'm just exaggerating. So let's hear what went down. The title of the letter today is Boyfriend's Grandma Nearly Caught Us in the Act. The letter to the pastor reads, Dear Pastor, I am 17-year-old and I am in sixth form. My parents are trying their best to educate me. My parents have 5 of us, but they are poor. I have a secret boyfriend who helps me with many things. He is 22 and lives with his grandmother. He took me to see her and she told me that she likes me. She warned him not to get me into any trouble. She told me right in his presence that I am the third girl he brought to her home. So she hoped that he was serious about me. She also told me that he was not ready to settle down, and I was too young to be thinking about settling down. I should continue in school. His grandmother always gave me good advice. This guy took my virginity on the floor of his grandmother's house. As soon as we were finished having SEX, his grandmother came home. He said he did not expect her to come home so soon. I felt so embarrassed because I had to stay in the bathroom for a while. His grandmother asked him what he did to me, and he said nothing. I told her the same thing. My boyfriend is the only man that I have had sex with, but I find myself needing sex often. Sometimes when I should be studying, I am thinking about him, and I have to call him. My mother asked me if I'm sexually active, and I told her no. She asked my younger sister the same question, and she told her that she didn't want to have anything to do with men because men are too wicked. My mother told her that not all men are wicked because our father is not wicked and he has taken care of all of us. I told my boyfriend I want to study, and he told me that he would help me. I see myself going to university in the next 2 years. He said he wants to go to the Jamaica German Automotive School. Another guy likes me, but I told him that I was not interested. He is much older than my boyfriend. I will stay with my boyfriend, although I could use more money. Some of my friends say that I should take the money from the other guy, but don't give him anything. But I don't want to do that. Some men are wicked, and I don't know what he would do if I took his money and didn't go to bed with him. YN. So guys, Pastor replied to YN with this. Dear YN, stay with your boyfriend. Don't listen to what others may tell you. I have talked to many men, and they say that they will destroy girls who take their money and promise them sex, and then not give them. Some girls think they are smart, and they can fool men by making promises, but there comes a time when men are not prepared to just accept promises. They might do something wicked. A man told me not long ago that he was going to KILL a particular girl because he spent so much money on her. She was trying to end the relationship. He was not prepared to allow her to be with another man. So tell this guy who is interested in you that you cannot be intimate with him. You are a one-man girl. Try your very best and concentrate on your schoolwork. Even when you are studying and you think about your boyfriend, take a break, take a shower, and get back to your studies. I would not encourage you to have sex with your boyfriend at his grandmother's house. If you continue doing this, his grandmother will probably walk in on both of you and you would be embarrassed. Your boyfriend is ambitious. I hope that he will be able to attend the automotive school and that you will be able to go to university. I wish you both all the very best. Pastor. So guys, that is it. What I want to say about this one is that young love is always full of passion, right? So I can understand where they're both coming from. Well, it's kind of complicated where the age gap is concerned, but you know, they're kids, quote unquote kids, so just let them be and let them learn each other. I hope they actually stay together. Although whenever going to university, you know, stuff happens and a relationship may break up. But so far so good. They seem into each other. And yeah, I hope everything goes all the best with them. We also have some comments here today. First comment comes from Danny. Danny says, it is so sad that a great number of our young female population cannot wait to come of age so they can find a man. Sometimes too, to give them money for sex. Well, to be honest guys, that is an issue. Nowadays girls are having relationships solely to, not really to bond or anything like that, but just to have sex. Like they grow up and their mothers or aunties and even cousins normally promote this transactional sex relationship. I mean, but you know, if you were to call them out for it, they would tell you that no, it's not what you think. I'm not this, I'm not that. But sometimes it actually looks bad, like very bad. They have some girls not going to date certain guys unless they have money. Yet, when you know, it's just really appalling. We have another comment here from Verna. Verna says, I find it that I need sex often. Sometimes when I should be studying, I am thinking of him and I have to call him. Okay, just remember three things Granny told you. One, the young man was not ready to settle down. Three girls he has taken to the yard. Two, you are too young to be thinking about settling down. Three, you should continue in school. Not satisfying with the money he is giving you is for another discussion. Shake my head. Okay guys, for my viewers outside of Jamaica, let me break this down for you. You guys, the age of consent in Jamaica is 16. So this is actually, as bad as it is, it's not actually a forbidden relationship. It can happen, but you know, it's kind of taboo or people don't really talk about it like that. But the fact that she's 17, she's just 1 year short of being an adult. So I'm not going to say that what she's doing is definitely wrong, right? She's old enough to make a decision to have sex, right? And yeah, she's a big girl, so if she wants to go and explore, that's up to her. So yeah. But yes, it would definitely be beneficial for her to wait. It would be the ideal thing is for them to wait until marriage. But you know, in today's world, that is hard to really find a virgin up to 21, let alone until marriage, like 25 thereabout. So I'm not saying that we should promote it, but it's the reality. And another commenter says, those are your friends encouraging you to take a man's money that you're not interested in? With friends like those, who needs enemy? Better you go speak with your mother about being sexually active so that she can guide you and not ruin your life by being silly. Your sister sounds angry too. Sounds like she has already lost her virginity to a man that didn't want her. Someone else chimed in and said, so many people in this society is preoccupied with sex. This will be the downfall of Jamaica, just like Sodom and Gomorrah.
Wait a minute!
Can We Talk Too says, Pastor, while I am supportive of all that you have said, what you did not say is so extremely valuable to both this teenager and her boyfriend. And that is that her boyfriend should be wearing a condom, and this hot to trap young miss whose skin is on fire ought to stop lying to her mother and tell her that she is in fact sexually active and that she would like to obtain a reliable method of birth control so that she doesn't wind up with a belly. Oops, I almost forgot that you, Pastor, could have also mentioned to this young miss that you hope that she is successful in her quest to go to university so that she will be able to acquire a good job so that she can both assist her parents as well as be able to stand on her own 2 feet and not depend solely on a man to provide her with money in exchange for sex. There was some attitude in that comment, but they gave some good points as well. So I hope the young miss and her boyfriend actually sees these comments. We have one more comment. Another comment saying, my grandmother catch me enough time as spanking my girlfriend. Yes, so and a lot of times back then, I'm sure a lot of us may have been in a similar situation like this. But boy, it rough still, because a lot of girls, teenagers as well, that playing around and got a belly, as one commenter said. And that is something we want to avoid, but sometimes it's hard to really stop someone. If they're determined to do something, they will do it. Okay, people, we reach a point in the video where I would like to hear what's your thought on the situation. What would you advise YN to do? Were the comments too harsh and elusive of the reality in which we are living in? Or were they okay? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And while you're doing that, please consider watching another video from the channel. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video with someone who will like this content. Such man goodly say that I am part of a certain squad just by being over here. But people, everyone gotta eat. Anyway, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Love.